Imagine a world where your money grows, invests, and even saves itself without banks, without middlemen, and without hidden fees. Well, that future isn't 10 years away. It's happening right now in 2025-26, powered by artificial intelligence. Today, I'll show you how AI is already managing money better than banks, and how you can take advantage before everyone else. Stay tuned till the end because the last tip could literally save you thousands of dollars every year. Part 1. The problem with traditional banks. Let's be honest, traditional banks make money from your money. They charge hidden fees, give you tiny interest on savings, and take days or weeks to approve loans or investments. But here's the truth. Banks move slow, while AI moves at lightning speed. That's why in 2025, AI-driven financial tools are starting to replace banks in ways we couldn't imagine just 5 years ago. Part 2. How AI is taking over money management. Capital Initiate incorporate AI for personal finance. AI apps can now track your spending, predict your bills, and even stop you from wasting money. Unlike banks, they don't just hold your money, they coach you to grow it. 2. AI in investments. Banks give you generic investment advice. AI, on the other hand, studies millions of data points in real time, stock trends, crypto movements, even global news, to give you smarter strategies. This means AI can help an everyday investor like you make decisions like a Wall Street pro. 3. AI in loans and credit. Banks take days to approve a loan. AI-driven fintechs? They analyze your credit, income, and spending in seconds. That means faster approvals, lower interest rates, and fairer systems that don't punish you with hidden charges. Part 3. Why AI is better than banks in 2025-26. Speed. Instant money management. Low cost. No hidden fees, just transparent automation. Personalization. AI creates a custom financial plan just for you, something banks can't do. 24/7 service. AI never sleeps. Banks close at 5 p.m. Part 4. The future of AI money management. In 2026, we're going to see a massive shift. AI-powered banks without physical branches. Crypto AI wallets that grow your wealth automatically. Voice-activated AI financial advisors that you can talk to like a human. The big question is, will banks even survive? Or will AI completely replace them? So now, tell me in the comments. Would you trust AI to manage your money more than your bank? Personally, I already use AI tools daily, and I can tell you, my bank is looking more outdated every single day. If you want to learn how to use AI to grow your wealth, invest smarter, and stay ahead of the financial revolution, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell. This is just the beginning. AI is rewriting the money game, and you don't want to be left behind. Thanks for watching NeuralWealthX, where AI meets personal finance. See you in the next